Today's presentation topic is exploring the essence of Japandi interior style. First, let us discover what the Japandi is. In the realm of Japandi style interior design is the fusion of cultures often leads to the creation of unique and captivating styles. Japandi, which is a seamless blend of Japanese and Scandinavian aesthetics, has emerged as a popular trend in recent years. This harmonious marriage of minimalist simplicity and timeless elegance captivates with its serene ambience and thoughtful design elements. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve deep into the essence of Japandi interior style, unraveling its origins, key characteristics, and practical tips for incorporating it into your living spaces. Second, let's talk about the origins of Japandi, which is where East meets West. The roots of Japandi can be traced back to the fundamental principles of Japanese and Scandinavian design philosophies. Japanese design emphasizes minimalism, natural elements, and the concept of wabi-sabi, which celebrates imperfection and impermanence. On the other hand, Scandinavian design is renowned for its clean lines, functionality, and cozy hygge atmosphere. The fusion of these two distinct styles results in Japandi, which is a harmonious blend that embodies simplicity, functionality, and timeless elegance. While each style brings its unique elements to the mix, they share a common appreciation for craftsmanship, natural materials, and the beauty of simplicity. Third, let's talk about the key characteristics of Japandi interior style. The first characteristic is the minimalism with warmth. Japandi embraces minimalism without feeling cold or sterile. Clean lines and clutter-free spaces are complemented by warm, inviting textures such as wood, wool, and linen. A neutral color palette dominated by earthy tones and muted hues enhances the sense of tranquility and balance. The second characteristic is the use of natural materials. Both Japanese and Scandinavian design traditions prioritize natural materials such as wood, bamboo, stone, and clay. These materials not only add visual warmth, but also create a connection to nature, promoting a sense of harmony and well-being within the space. The third Japandi characteristic is the functional simplicity. Functionality is paramount in Japandi interiors. Furniture and decor are chosen for their practicality and simplicity, with a focus on clean, uncluttered lines. Multifunctional pieces and smart storage solutions help maximize space without sacrificing style. The fourth characteristic are balance and harmony. Japandi seeks to strike a delicate balance between contrasting elements. Light and shadow, rough and smooth textures, and traditional craftsmanship and modern design coexist harmoniously, creating a sense of equilibrium and tranquility. The fifth characteristic is the subdued elegance. While Japandi interiors are minimalist in nature, they exude a timeless elegance that transcends trends. Thoughtfully curated decor, subtle accents, and carefully selected artwork add layers of interest and personality to the space without overwhelming the senses. Fourth, how can we incorporate Japandi into your home? Now that we've explored the defining characteristics of Japandi interior style, let's discuss practical tips for incorporating this aesthetic into your own home. First, start with a neutral base. Begin by creating a neutral backdrop using earthy tones such as beige, taupey, grey, and soft whites. These hues serve as the foundation for the rest of your design elements and help establish a serene atmosphere. Second, embrace natural materials. Introduce natural materials like wood, bamboo, rattan, and stone into your decor. Opt for furniture with clean lines and organic shapes, and add texture with woven rugs, linen curtains, and tactile cushions. Third, focus on functionality. Choose furniture and decor pieces that prioritize both form and function. Look for multi-purpose pieces such as storage ottomans, nesting tables, and modular shelving units that help maximize space and minimize clutter. Fourth, add Japanese and Scandinavian accents. Incorporate subtle nods to Japanese and Scandinavian design through decor accents and accessories. Think paper lanterns, ceramic tableware, bonsai plants, and iconic Scandinavian lighting fixtures like the PH5 pendant lamp. Fifth, create Zen-inspired spaces. Designate a quiet corner or meditation area where you can unwind and relax. Keep this space clutter-free and uncluttered, with a comfortable seating area, soft lighting, and natural elements such as indoor plants or a small tabletop water fountain. Sixth, personalize with art and textiles. Infuse your personality into the space with artwork, textiles, and accessories that reflect your interests and passions. Consider hanging framed prints inspired by nature, displaying handmade ceramics, or adding throw pillows in your favorite colors or patterns. Seventh, focus on quality over quantity. Instead of filling your home with an abundance of decor items, focus on quality pieces that will stand the test of time. Invest in well-crafted furniture, durable textiles, and artisanal accessories that add character and charm to your space. 8. Keep it clutter-free. Japandi style thrives on simplicity and minimalism, so resist the urge to overcrowd your space with unnecessary clutter. Embrace the concept of less is more, and strive to maintain a sense of openness and tranquility throughout your home. In conclusion, cultivating serenity through Japandi design. In a fast-paced world filled with noise and distractions, creating a sanctuary of peace and serenity within our homes has never been more important. Japandi interior style offers a compelling solution, blending the timeless elegance of Scandinavian design with the tranquil simplicity of Japanese aesthetics. By embracing natural materials, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on balance and harmony, Japandi invites us to slow down, reconnect with nature, and cultivate a sense of well-being within our living spaces. Whether you're seeking to revitalize your home or embark on a new design journey, Japandi offers a timeless aesthetic that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and the power of mindfulness. So why not embark on this journey of discovery and transformation? Embrace the essence of Japandi in your own home and experience the transformative power of harmonious design. With this comprehensive guide, you're now equipped to explore the world of Japandi interior style and infuse your living spaces with its timeless elegance and tranquil ambience. Happy designing! Don't forget to subscribe, like and share as always. Thank you.